So how's it going? Ryan here with QMS, Custom Carpet Cleaning, as you can see. Well, I just want to give a little shout out to Courtney Lee, Truman Steamers. When I first found the forum and got on there, he drew my attention, and there was something about him, just really energetic, enthusiastic about what he did. Well, I went ahead and did the small coaching program with him. And during our conversations, he talked about the Facebook and promoting like that. And I did those things. And I let them fizzle out on my own. I wanted to focus a little bit differently because I already have an established business. So instead of going out and finding new work, something Courtney was trying to express to all the carpet cleaners, and something that I took, and I appreciate that a lot, was charge what you're worth. So I raised my prices actually pretty significantly, about $15-20 per room, I think is what it came out to. Started charging what Courtney was charging, giving the same quality work, if not better than I was before, and the people loved it. And I thank Courtney for all that, because I don't think I would have had the confidence to do that or raise my prices without watching his videos, listening to what he has to say. So he is a great teacher when it comes to that. He knows what he's talking about, and I look forward to seeing more from him as the time goes on.